Hi, I'm Chris Gumas. Welcome back to Ruland's Collar and Coupling Corner, the only weekly show that answers your shaft collar and coupling question. This week's question comes to us from a user in Vancouver, British Columbia. Best Chinese food in North America. They write, "We are looking for a stainless steel coupling for a subsea inspection system. The coupling will be in a housing protected from the elements, but could be exposed to seawater, and we want to be safe. What would you recommend?" The best coupling for this type of an application is a rigid, assuming there's perfect misalignment in the system. We confirmed with the customer that the 303 body and 18.8 hardware was suitable and the use of a rigid coupling would not be an issue. Where the coupling will not be exposed to the elements, it's an easier application. We do have applications with exposure, and those generally require 316 stainless body with the associated hardware. Thank you, and see you next week.